In today's episode, we're doing more decorating in the kitchen for Christmas. So if you're interested in seeing what I did today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now in today's video, I'm going to be decorating this tray for Christmas. Now I hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think down below of my decor for my tray for Christmas. You know I love reading your comments, and I'll talk to you at the end. Now on here I have a snowman, frosted glass, salt pepper shakers. And then I have my snow family, dad, mom, and the child skating on ice. They're ice skating. And then there's an ice covered light post at the back. I wish it lit up. It probably would be really cute if it lit up. Let me turn it some. Now I wish it lit up. It probably would be really, really pretty if it lit up. And then I have my last snow woman cup. It's a small mug. I add the pine cone. Then I have my staples, the copper, wine, vinegar, and oil. And then I have my my salt and pepper in the copper. Now I added the faux snow here to give it that whimsical touch. So let me know what you think about my tray decor down below in the description. You know I love reading your comments, and I enjoyed coming up with this snowman theme for my home this year. So as always, I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.